Frustrated with the BASS ASIO module DLL pop-up blocking your software? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. While preparing the manual steps for BASS ASIO module, check for an official tool to assist with background synchronization. This DLL file is an extension for the BASS audio library that enables support for the ASIO, Audio Stream Input-Output Protocol, facilitating high-performance, low-latency audio processing for Windows software. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. This issue indicates a structural problem within the local BASS sound system installation. Reinstall the latest version of BASS sound system from the official site to restore the BASS ASIO module DLL safely and ensure all registry links are updated. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with the BASS ASIO module. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Avoid the trap of free file repositories for the BASS ASIO module DLL, as these platforms are frequently used to spread persistent browser hijackers and adware. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. If you're addressing the BASS ASIO module inconsistencies or system resource gaps, the link below provides informational maintenance resources. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for the BASS ASIO module and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.